Okay, this video is about how to sharpen lawnmower blades. Okay, things you'll need: wire brush with a scraper on the end, possibly a scraper, an angle grinder, and of course a lawnmower blade, and then a blade balancer. These type are pretty cheap. You can get them for about $7-8 on Amazon. Okay, now you want to make sure that the blade is pretty clean. You get all the grass off. That's what the wire brush is for. You just brush and scrape all of it off. Okay, now you can have like if you have a tabletop clamp, that'll work. I have this saw with this clamp. So I just take the blade, stick it in the clamp, clamp it down nice and tight. You also need a pair of safety glasses, which I do have on, and gloves, which I'm gonna go and get because I forgot to have gloves. So I come over here, grab my gloves, and put them on. Okay. Now, when you sharpen your blade, you want to keep this angle, the factory angle. Okay, you want to keep it as close to that as you can. So, you take your grinder, okay. So you take your grinder, you turn it on, and then I'm just gonna go. I'm using a 60 grit flap disc, metal. Okay, and if there's any big chips like right here, I wouldn't really worry about that. It's not going to matter too much because you'd have to take off so much of your blade to fix that. You just want to make sure it's good, nice and clean. Now it's rounded just a hair. I don't know if you can see that, but it's rounded just a hair, so I need to take off some more. So I just Okay. And now that looks pretty good. And then you just repeat on the other side, which I'm not going to do right now because this is getting a little long. But you unclamp it, and now you take your balancer. Of course, this one is not balanced because I just did one side. You stick it on there like so. And you can see that that is a hair unbalanced, but I'll fix that on the other end. So thank you and have a good day. This is the end of the video.